In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PDF to PowerPoint using Adobe Acrobat. If you have a PDF file that you want to turn into a PowerPoint presentation, Adobe Acrobat makes the process very simple. This is especially helpful if you already have content in a PDF and you want to reuse it for slides instead of starting from scratch. I'm going to walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along with ease. To begin, open Adobe Acrobat and make sure the PDF you want to convert is already open on your screen. Before moving on, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that you're working with the correct file. This helps avoid converting the wrong document, especially if you have multiple PDFs open or saved in similar folders. Once your PDF is open, look for the Convert option and click on it. This is the tool Adobe Acrobat uses to change your file from one format into another. After selecting Convert, you'll be taken to the available conversion options. Take a moment here to make sure you're in the right section because Acrobat offers several file types and it's easy to click the wrong one if you're moving too quickly. Next, in the left-hand column, click on Microsoft PowerPoint. This tells Adobe Acrobat that you want your PDF exported as a PowerPoint file, usually in the PPTX format. That format works well with Microsoft PowerPoint and is also commonly supported by other presentation tools. Once selected, Acrobat will begin preparing a preview of the converted file so you can review it before downloading. When the preview page opens, go to the top right corner and click the download icon. This will save the converted PowerPoint file to your device. Depending on your browser or Acrobat settings, the file may download automatically to your default downloads folder, or you may be prompted to choose where you want to save it. If you want to stay organized, save it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a project folder. After the download is complete, open the PowerPoint file and check the formatting. Most of the time, Adobe Acrobat does a solid job, but it's always worth reviewing the slides for spacing, fonts, images, or line breaks that may need a quick adjustment after conversion. And that's it. That's how to convert a PDF to PowerPoint using Adobe Acrobat quickly and efficiently.